Hi guys, I just want to do a quick little jewelry video for you. Just gonna do a little combining here. Very simple, but very pretty. There. Let's do a little dark blue. There. And flip just a little bit more. There we go. Mm, there we go. Take a look at these later and see how they came out. Very nice and simple. So pretty. The blue and turquoise is Let's Resin alcohol ink. And then the gray is actually a small amount of silver mica powder mixed with white pigment. So it gives it more of a light gray, but it's going to have that nice shimmer to it too. Alright, these are done curing. So let's get them out of the mold, see how they came out. See how the backside looks. There we go. I like that. There we go. Looks good. I do think I'll make this side the front though, because I feel like adding a couple pretty stickers. I like that one for this. What do you think? So we'll cut it out. There we go. That one's gonna look good. Let's see. What do you think about that one? These are all so wonderful. Oh, right there. How about that? This one. How about that one? There we go. I like that one. And it's on the corner too, so makes it a little more convenient. And this is one of those UV DTF stickers. There. Peel that one, put that one there. So, you know what? This part, I'm going to take the gloves off. And I'll put them back on when I go to UV over the top to seal them in. And it'll level out the top. So with the UV, the DTF stickers, take them off the back. And then we want to line it up, because once we put it on, that's where it stays. You won't be able to pull it back off and it look right. Sorry, my voice is a little froggy. Okay, there we go. And rub it on really good. Trying to work out any of this little air bubbles. On the edges of it really good. So that try and keep it from peeling off with the paper or plastic. See if we got it good. Just do it slow. Make sure that the actual picture stays. Oh, that looks so pretty. There we go. Okay. And then I like this. That'd be cute too. I think I'll just use some little gems. Wonder if masking tape will work for this. That's what I have handy right now. There we go. Got the back off. Yay. Give it a little bit of an angle. There. Rub out all the bubbles from underneath. That's going to need trim just a little. That's not too bad. There we go. All right. What do we want to do with this one? I almost want to do one of these, but I ended up losing half of it. Of course, I picked the hardest one to get to, right in the middle. But I want that moon and star. There we go. I think that would be pretty there. I like that. Alright, so we'll use the tape again. So there. There we go. Now, put the gloves back on. Alright, here we go. I'll go ahead and get some on each one of them. That way the resin can start to move and level out itself. Then I can help it along. Alright, let's go ahead and help spread it. Go ahead and take it up to the edges. Now the reason why I'm wanting to put the UV resin over it is that will help protect the different stickers they're put on so they won't accidentally get scratched off over time. Make sure it's around all the edges also. By doming it a little bit, it will get rid of the sharp edge that is on there at the moment. A little bit more. This one. There we go. Make sure there aren't any bubbles. There we go. Alright. Go ahead and pop the bubbles. They're just sitting there. Running across. Don't hold it still over any one spot. There we go. Alright, I think it looks good. We'll go ahead and put them in to cure in UV light. Alright, they're nice and cured now. So let's go ahead and finish them up. I think this one, I have some gold pinch veils, and I think this one would look really nice with one of those. So let's go ahead and put it in place. I squeeze it tight. There. That's right. There. Then this one I think should be in silver. All right. There we go. We're going to make this into a keychain. Oh, goodness. There we go. Ha! There. That works. I just think that's so pretty. All right. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye for now.